when the cold wind howls and the world outside is wrapped in shades of gray. There's nothing quite like a warm, hearty meal to bring comfort to your soul. Today we're making something simply nourishing and packed with flavor. Brothy lemon garlic beans over rice, paired with warm, crispy rosemary bread. It's the kind of meal that feels like a hug from the inside out. This dish starts with the essentials: garlic, lemon, and a little love. The garlic sizzles in olive oil, releasing its rich aroma, while the lemon zest brightens everything up with a hint of citrusy freshness. These small, simple ingredients come together to build layers of flavor that will turn a humble pot of beans into something magical. I'm using creamy cannellini beans as they cook. They soak up all of those deep, savory flavors: rosemary, bay leaf, a pinch of red pepper flakes for warmth. It's slow, gentle cooking, the kind that fills your kitchen with the most inviting aroma and makes you want to linger just a little longer. While the beans work their magic, let's talk about the perfect companion: steaming fluffy rice. It soaks up all that rich lemony broth, making every bite just a little more satisfying. There's something about a bowl of warm rice that instantly makes a meal feel like home. And then there's the rosemary bread, golden, fragrant, with just the right crunch on the outside and a soft, pillowy center. Perfect for dunking, for soaking, for making sure not a drop of that delicious broth goes to waste. Because let's be honest, the best part of a brothy dish is sopping it all up with a piece of warm, crusty bread. Finally, we bring it all together: a generous scoop of beans, a drizzle of good olive oil, a sprinkle of fresh herbs. It's rustic, it's comforting, and it's the kind of meal that makes winter days feel just a little bit warmer.